Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by cutting power and verifying 0 volts at the unit. Safety prevents shocks. Once done, remove the access panel and check electrical connections and visible oil. This tells you if the compressor has failed mechanically or electrically. Use a multimeter on contactor and start capacitor to test continuity and microfarads. Write readings down. Make sure to record the refrigerant type from the nameplate, so you use the right gauges and later match pressures to the correct chart. With readings in hand, attach manifold gauges and note low and high side pressures at steady operation. Pressures reveal charge status and valve health. You then bench test the start capacitor and relay. A weak capacitor causes hard starts, so replace if values are out by more than 10%. Next, measure compressor winding resistance and insulation to ground. An open or grounded winding means compressor replacement. Once electrical parts are sound, evacuate lines. If you open the system to repair, you reconnect refrigerant lines, run a deep vacuum to 500 microns and hold to ensure no leaks. This step prevents moisture and acid formation. Once stable, recharge to the exact ounces on the unit label and add oil if the compressor lost fluid. Too much oil reduces cooling, too little risks seizure. Finally, start the system and run a full cycle test. Watch current draw, suction, and discharge temps and pressures. If high amps or poor cooling persist, suspect internal valve failure. Replace compressor or call a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.